Hello guys, today we are going to study lesson 15, which is about checking community in CoinMarketCap. So this is the website coinmarketcap.com. Example, when there is a coin just listing in Binance, you also must checking its community. Does it a lot or just little? Because it also affecting your trading. Example mbox just listing, so you can search here mbox, it's just listing. Click here mbox, and you see here community. Here we have many websites, but I recommend you to click on twitter.com. So this is its community follower, 306.5k. So if the follower come up more than 100k followers, that means that it's good, because there are a lot of people follow and also interested and invest in that coins. So that's how you can check its community. Also other coins, many coins here you can check. Example, Luna, it's just the coin that down minus 100%. Okay, that's bad for Luna. So you see here community here. Click on twitter.com. Look at its community. That's a lot. One M followers. So when it start listing in Binance, you should check its community. Does it little or a lot? If it more than 100k, yeah, I recommend you. It's good for you for trading. That's all. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.